Are you tired of constantly getting that dreaded storage almost full notification on your iPhone? It's so frustrating, right? You delete precious photos, you get rid of apps you actually use, and then boom, 5 minutes later, the message is back. It feels like a never-ending battle.
Well, what if I told you that most people are going about it all wrong?
They're deleting the good stuff, while ignoring the real culprits, these hidden files that are secretly hogging gigabytes of your space.
Today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret.
I'll guide you through some settings you probably never knew existed. And together, we'll instantly free up a ton of space on your iPhone, maybe even up to 20 gigs.
And the best part, you won't have to delete a single photo or your favorite app.
Ready to reclaim your storage and say goodbye to that annoying notification for good. Great. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open up your Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on General. From there, go into iPhone Storage. Let it load for a moment. You might be shocked by what you see. We're going to tackle that system data and other category that's eating up all your space. First, open your settings and scroll all the way to the bottom. Here, you'll see something called System Data or Other. Sometimes this takes up 15 to 20 gigabytes on its own. The mistake is thinking you can clear this by deleting apps. You can't. To fix this, you need to clear your Safari cache and deep clean your iMessage attachments. I'll show you exactly how to do that right now. Big mistake number 2. People delete hundreds of photos and think the storage is free. But those photos stay on your device for 30 days in a hidden folder. Until you manually empty the recently deleted album, your iPhone will remain slow and the storage will stay full. Clear it now to see an instant jump in available space. If you have apps that you only use once a month, don't delete them. Use the offload feature instead. This removes the app size but keeps all your documents and data safe. Once you enable this in your App Store settings, your iPhone will automatically manage your space for you. It's a total game changer. And there you have it. Your iPhone should now feel faster and more responsive. Remember, keeping your storage clear is a simple way to help your device run smoothly and stay secure. If you'd like to learn more about iPhone security, feel free to browse my other videos. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.